Understanding Vote with Your Feet, a deep dive into expressive language. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, vote with your feet. This idiom offers a vivid way to express a particular kind of decision-making process. Stay with us as we break down its meaning, usage, and origins, making it easier for you to understand and use this phrase in your daily English conversations. The phrase, vote with your feet, is used to describe a situation where individuals show their preference or opinion not through words or by casting a vote in a traditional sense, but through their actions, specifically by leaving or moving towards something. When people vote with their feet, they are making a clear choice by physically moving to or away from something, rather than using verbal or written forms of expression. Let's look at some examples to better understand how this phrase is used in context. If you're unhappy with the management at your job, vote with your feet and find a new place to work. Here, the phrase suggests that taking action by leaving a job is a way to express dissatisfaction. Many residents voted with their feet by moving to cities with better employment opportunities. This example shows people making a choice about where to live based on job availability, demonstrating their preferences through relocation. The idiom, vote with your feet, is believed to have originated in the context of political and social movements, where physical presence or absence at a place could represent a strong statement or preference. Over time, it has evolved to encompass a wide range of decisions and situations where actions speak louder than words. This phrase is particularly useful when discussing situations involving choices or decisions that are made through actions rather than through verbal or written communication. It's often used in contexts related to employment, residence, consumer preferences, and social or political issues. It emphasizes the power and significance of actions in expressing opinions and making choices. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, vote with your feet, and how it can be used to convey choices made through actions. Remember, language is not just about the words we speak. It's also about how we express ourselves through what we do. Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to vote with your feet by engaging with our content if you found it helpful. See you in the next video.